Ha? Di mo alam? Hindi ka kinabahan?
I was so
Nervous? That's normal. Hopefully. Ha? Antayin natin kung anong sasabihin.
Wait at this one here and I'll be right back.
Dito lang tayo, nak. Para makita natin kung anong sasabihin. Ah, dyan siya? Okay. Hopefully, kahit minus ka lang, may pasa mo lang. Okay lang yung minus lang. Okay. Ayun na.
So, unfortunately, you'll have to try again.
Oh.
Do that one.
Guys! Oh, andito. Good morning! Yes! Yeah, today is a big day for my daughter. Ngayon ang kanyang road test. Pero iikot muna kami. Siyempre, as usual, ikot-ikot muna kami bago yung road test niya. Yan yung ano niya. Oh, yan yung ano mo. Okay. Yeah, it is cold. Sige, warm up mo lang muna. Sana may pasa mo na itong road test mo na to.
Gonna park here. I'm gonna warm up now. Lamig eh. Ano pa?
Huwag ka na mag-park dito. Habang tumatakbo, mas lalamig yun. Doon na tayo. Okay. So, be pay attention sa examiner para hindi ka mawala. Yun lang naman talaga, pay attention, okay? Nagdasal ka naman siguro. Nagdasal mo siguro na makuha mo ito. Okay. Alright. Yan. In that street, we're going to take a left. Uminom ka pa kasi ng malamig ka ganina. Tuloy na ubo ka. Okay. Yan mo yung windshield mo ng ano, yung this is street light. We're going to take a right. Okay. Yan, basta ko para sa ganun makita. Very good. Transition. Every time dito pero kung mayroon siyang sasakyan, pero papasok ka pa rin tapos magle-left ka pa rin doon. But you need to do the signal light and shoulder check pa rin, okay? Ngayon, slow down mo lang yung ganyan lang para paminsan-minsan lang siya sana may pasama na. Huwag ka lang kakabahan talaga. So we're doing a right turn muna, mga right turn. So in that street light, we're going to make a right. Very good. Soldier check on signal light. That's very good. That upcoming street light, we're going to take a right. Yan. Kasi I'm sure dito kayo iaano ng mga ano, ng mga examiner dito. Isa ito sa ano. Oh, pinasok mo ito eh, naka-stop yan. Signal light. Yan. Nagawa natin yung right turn mo. Susunod naman ngayon is practicein natin ang left turn. Ang road test dito sa Canada guys, yun lang naman yung kasimple yung ano nila yung examiner i-check yung left turn, right turn, speed. Very good. Speed mo, tapos parallel parking, yan. Kailangan pagka nag-change lane ka, signal light and soldier check. Soldier check, ganun yun. May papasa mo na ngayon yan, mag-focus ka lang, huwag ka lang kakabahan. That street light, we're going to take a left. So when it's safe, you have to change lane now. Very good, soldier check. Okay, so in this street light, we're going to take a left. Focus ka every time ha. Kapag ka nag-stop sign na ganyan, kailangan yung mata mo pa rin. Very good prediction. Every time kunin mo itong ganito. Next time ha, dito ka, tapos tsaka ka gumilid. Every time you are doing a left turn or right turn, every time ha, dito ka sa kanan ha. Every time you doing left and right turn, sa kanan, kahit na may makita kang sasakyan, tapos bumalik ka na lang doon. Okay, so when you did not say the speed limit, it is 50. Make sure you are 50 is dapat nasa ano ka, nasa between 47 at 48. Huwag ka na lumapas doon. Ganyan. What's your speed? Hindi pwede rin mabagal. Too slow. Okay, so in this is street light, we're going to take a right. Very good. Shoulder check. So pagka ganyan, nakita mo naman wala siyang sign na nagsabing you cannot take a right. So nag-stop ka na dito, roll a little para makita mo pwede ka kasing kumanan din. Kahit red ang sign na yan. Oh. And then tignan mo, tignan mo agad kung may sasakyan na nandoon. Alam mo may sasakyan, wag mo nang pasukan dito, kunin mo agad yun nandoon. Ganyan ang diskarte, ha. Okay. Yung sign dyan sa poste, dyan sa, kasi may mga las katulad ng ipinakita ko sa'yo dun sa McPhilip. Okay, go. Green na. Pagkagaya, yun ang tignan mo. Yung dito kasi kakanan ka kung may sasakyan doon. Kung may sasakyan doon, wag mo nang kukunin yung gilid na yun. Pasukin mo na agad ito. Okay? Alright. Good. This is street light. We're going to take a right. Very good. Pagka ganito, hindi ka pwedeng mag-stay kasi ano yan bus. Para sa bus. Very good. You will get that driver's license today, believe me. Believe yourself. Huwag kang kakabahan. Okay, so in that street in there, we're going to take a right. So when it's safe, change lane. Good shoulder check. Very good. Tapos park into the parking area where is the road test. Sarado pa sila pala.
Maaga natin.
It's okay kasi nga nagpa-practice tayo eh. Hindi, meron na. Meron na. Oh. Okay, stop muna dito pa. Kasi may examiner yan eh. Nakita ko para hindi tayo
Nakabalugan.
Oo. Palabasin mo na muna sila. Ayan. Ayan.
Iniwan lang niya.
Ganun talaga. Okay naman na yun eh. Okay, so ikot na lang tayo doon. Huwag na tayong pumunta dyan. Kasi baka mapicturean tong ano mo eh. Ikot ka na lang dito. Tapos labas tayo doon sa parallel parking. Pero hindi tayo magpa-parallel ah. We're not going to do a parallel. Because you already do your parallel kahapon, no? Okay. Labas tayo. Punta lang tayo sa parallelan. It's either dito ka pa parallel. Nag-examiner na pala tong mga to eh. Huwag tayo magpakita dyan. Baka mamaya hindi mapicturean yung ano, yung mukhang Pilipino yun ah.
Oo nga, kilala
sige.
nga eh.
Kaya nga, isa
Nag-hi
lang.
nga sa'yo eh.
Kaya nga. Baka nga sakaling makapasa ka na. Baka sana siya yung ano mo. Baka sakaling makapasa ka na anak. Huwag din nak, doon sa kabila tayo. Okay, pasukin mo dyan, doon, labas tayo doon. Pasukin mo ito, lumabas lang tayo doon.
Huwag na, may mga nag-ano eh.
Para may i-practice kita doon sa... Okay, diretso. Diretso mo. Okay, so alam mo yung road test doon sa taas, no? Alam mo na yung pagpasok doon. Okay, so dito, patulad doon, 'di ba sasagasaan mo yung parang wire para umangat. Antayin mo yung pag-angat niya noon at pagkatapos nun tsaka ka ano. Pag kunwari nandito ka na. Yan yun, 'di ba? Yan yun. Ito yung gilid nito. Ganyan, anaantay mo. Kapag umagat na, pag umabante ka, ano bang turo sa'yo? Pagka dito, di ba, mag-slow down ka o mag-pull stop ka bago itong...
Full stop.
Mag-pull stop ka.
Kasi may dadaan eh.
No. Pull stop kung may dadaan o ano ba sabi, roll over lang o ano?
Full stop, tapos check
Okay.
and left and right.
Okay, so now, ayan. We're going to take a right here. Huwag na tayong pumunta sa ano kasi alam mo naman na kahapon perfect mo na. 8:45. Praktisin natin yung mga lugar kung saan kayo dinadala.
Sa Burrows.
Sige, punta tayo. So, bilisan mo ng konti.
Mahaba ko.
Don't worry about the bako-bako. Pwede mong sabihin kung nag-slow down ka, have to slow down ka mo because bako-bako ka mo sa sa examiner kasi sasabihin nila
Not good condition.
take right here. Okay, punta tayo sa Poros.
Sana mapasa ko na today.
May papasa mo to anak. Just focus ka lang. Ayan guys, tulungan natin magdasal tong anak ko. Hopefully may pasa na niya. Pero sa palagay ko may papasa mo na to kapag itong ginagawa mo ay continuous lang. Wag ka lang talaga mawawala ng focus. In this stop sign, we're going to take a right. Kanan tayo rito. Ikot-ikot muna tayo ulit bago yung actual na road test mo. Familiarization. Ayan guys, mag-check-in na kami ngayon. Papasok na kami ngayon sa road test. Anuhin mo yung itong windshield mo. Ayan. Ipangalawa mo lang dito. Yan yung
Ganyan mo na lang.
Okay. Road test tayo rito. Yung mga
Kasi yung anak, yung ID.
Yan.
Kasi
Ito.
registration.
Ito yung registration. Kung kailangan nila.
ID mo din pa.
Hindi mamaya kung kailangan. Baka mamaya rin. Hawakan mo lang muna. Mamaya pagdating natin. Pasok na kami guys sa road test. Focus. Focus.
Magsasalita yan.
Good morning, ma'am.
License mo
License niya?
Apo.
Okay, ito yung license niya at saka yung registration nandyan po. Ayan. Kung kailangan nyo rin po ang aking license, ito po.
Okay lang.
Okay lang ba? Good luck sa'yo anak ha, huwag kang kakabahan. Si ate.
Yeah.
Kayo po ba ang mag-exam?
Hindi po.
Ay, kailan lang yung dito?
Apa.
Sige. Sige. Saan kami magpapark ma'am? Magpapark muna
Dito
kami
lang
dyan?
po. Like, go straight.
Na. Tapos pupunta na lang kung sino yung examiner.
Apo.
Tapos alis na lang ako dito.
Yeah, pagdating po nila.
Pagdating niya.
Yeah.
So, standby lang muna ako dito.
Yeah.
Okay.
Check ko po yung light.
Sige po, ma'am. Check nila yung light, okay. Okay, good.
Just pull up behind that car. Good luck.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Yan. Okay. Dito na tayo. I-park mo muna. Bumaba ka muna. Mag-relax ka muna. Stretch mo muna yung mo. Yung patayin mo muna ang sasakyan.
Bawal pa daw.
Okay. Patayin mo muna yung ano, sasakyan mo. Oh, sige. Patayin mo muna yung sasakyan mo. Mag-stretch muna tayo. Stretch out ka muna rito. Andin mo muna yung paa mo. Para sa ganun, ano. Yan, para hindi ka kabahan. You know the drill, ha? Para hindi ka kabahan. Stretch your feet. Muna. Andito na kami guys sa loob ng facility ng road test, no? Remember, when you take a right, pagkakanan ka, kunin mo yung una. Ha? Kunin mo yung una. Ganon din pag magle-left ka, kunin mo yung una. Ay, yung, ano, yung pinakadulo doon. Remember that, ha? Huwag kang kakabahan. Focus lagi sa sasabihin niya. Tapos pagka nagre-right turn ka at may stop sign doon, sinasabi niya doon na walang sinasabi na hindi ka pwedeng kumanan, nag-stop ka, mag-roll over ka para makita mo yun nandun, pwede kang kumanan ganon, okay? Remember, okay?
Sabi pa may dadaan.
Oh. One, two, three, nakaline up pang apat ka. Alam mo na yung gagawin mo dun, oh.
Iyak ako.
Ay, anxiety na yan. Kung ano yung nararamdaman mo sa sobrang kamam, I told you to push. Nag-exercise ka naman eh. Sabi ko sa'yo, mag-push up ka kahit na mga 5 beses eh.
Yun na po.
Oh, sige, good luck na anak.
Patay ano po.
Okay, good luck.
Driving license ko naman babae na naman.
Oh, sige. Wala ka nang magagawa kung siya yan. Pero may mga nauna pa dun eh. Good luck, good luck. Okay. Meron pa pala yatang bagong ano dun. Mukhang meron pang bagong ano. Naisakto pa sa anak ko yung may trainee silang bagong magro-road test. Ayan guys. Good luck na yung sa kanya, sa anak ko. Antayin ko sa labas para makita ko yung gagawin sa kanya. Good luck for them. Okay? I'm a vlogger, so I'm doing a vlog for my daughter,
I wish it's got it today.
Yeah, I wish your who is your friend or your son or
Brother-in-law.
brother-in-law. Okay. We wish them a luck.
Yeah, thank you.
Hopefully we will, oh God, please God, help them to get their class 5.
Yeah.
They pass it so that it will finish. They can drive now. Ayan guys, palabas na sila.
No.
Good luck, good luck. Ayun, palabas na. Good luck. Yeah, yun, palabas na guys. Ay, lalabas ako. Tignan ko sa labas yung anak ko. Abangan natin sa labas. Sana may pasanan niya. Let's go. Nasaan na ba siya? Ayun, pakpakanin mo. Magra-right turn yata siya doon. Oh, right turn. Pina-right turn siya. Baka dito, papupuntahin dito. Ako mismo yung ano guys eh. Ako mismo yung natitense eh. Natitense ako sa situation ng anak ko eh. Kala mo natatay daw siya eh. Yun, anxiety na yun dahil sobrang kaba niya o sobrang nervyos niya. ayun, natatay na hindi ma. Ako yung kinakabahan sa kanya eh. Para sana nga eh, ano, maipasan na niya. Woo! Asan na siya? Kaya kinubar ko tong buong ano eh, buong root piece niya. Malalaman natin kung nasan siya. Kasi lalabas dito yun eh. Ayan na siya. Hindi ako magpapakita para hindi siya mawalan ng ma-distract. Ayan na siya. Oh, baka pagpa-parallel parkingin siya dyan. Oh yun, magpa-parallel parking nga siya guys. Tignan natin ang parallel parking niya. Relax ka lang anak, relax ka lang. Ako yung natitense sa'yo eh. Dito tayo. Huwag tayong magpapakita sa kanya. Ayun siya eh oh. Nagpa-parallel parking. Kayang-kaya niya yan kasi nagawa niya yung parallel parking niya kahapon ng perfect eh. Kaya alam ko mape-perfect niya na ito ngayon. Kahit na may mga mafe-field siya, okay lang ma-field ng mga ilan o minus lang, wag lang yung umabot sa pinaka-maximum yung kanyang field score. Ayan guys. Ayan, siya naman. Okay. Dito tayo. Para hindi siya ma-distract. Para hindi siya ma-distract. Parallel parking. Good. Relax. Relax ka lang. Tapos crank all the way. Yan. Straighten the wheel. Park. Pag binuksan na yung examiner yung kanyang okay na yan. Perfect. Oh, tapos pag sinabi ng examiner let's go, alis na siya, mag-aano na siya, magle-left turn, right turn. Oh, yan. Okay. Okay. Oh, pag masyado matrasan mo. Okay. Ayan. Ano nangyari? Isa pa ba? Malayo. Malayo sa doon, kaya isa pa. Masyado siyang malayo siguro doon. Hindi niya kabisado. Sana makuha mo na anak. Yan. Straighten out. Straight the wheel. Okay. Sana good na yun. Sana good na yun. Okay. Sana good na yun. Sana good na yun. Palabasin na siya doon. Yun. Pinalabas na siya, guys. Ayan, hindi ko na siya masusundan dyan. Bahala na lang siya dyan. At least nakita natin yung kanyang parallel parking mismo ng ano. Naipasa niya yung parallel parking. Yung left and right speed na lang. Antayin ko na lang dito sa loob. Antayin ko rito. Dito ko mag-aantay sa kanya. Kasi magpa-parking siya dito mamaya sa mga ano parkingan. Ayan guys, stay with me. Sana may pasa ng anak ko yung ano. Ako yung natitensi. Ako yung kinakabahan sa kanya Bilang magulang, wala tayo bang pinangarap sa mga anak kundi makapasa, makuha yung kanilang mga dream. Pasok muna ako sa loob. Dito habang ko rito, dito yung hihinto Dito guys yun magpapark Anong oras na ba ngayon? Ayan, 8:44. Ayan, siguro mga alas 9 dito na sila. Guys, ayan na sila. Makikita natin yung result. Tignan natin. Tama-tama saglit lang naman, left and right turn Ay, sana may pasa. May pasa mo anak. Para sa ganun hindi ka na mag-ano. Okay. Pupunta sila sa loob. Ayan na. Sana may pasa niya. Ha? Di mo alam? Hindi ka kinabahan?
I was so
Nervous? That's normal. Hopefully.
no.
Ha? Antayin natin kung anong sasabihin.
Wait at this one here and I'll be right back.
Dito lang tayo nak. Para makita natin kung anong sasabihin. Dyan siya? Okay. Hopefully kahit minus ka lang, may pasa mo lang. Okay lang yung minus lang. Okay, dito tayo. Wala siyang wala kang automatic na fuel sa palagay mo? Hopefully. Bakit 2 beses ka doon nila doon sa parallel parking kanina?
Masyado daw malaki, masyado.
Malayo. Pero yung pangalawa, okay na.
Sana magpasok ko.
Oo. You will get that. You will get that. Basta sinunod mo lang yung sinasabi ko na mag right turn ka, mag left turn ka properly. Saan lang kayo pumunta?
Burros. Lahat nga yun, ikutan na namin.
Yung pinunta natin? Okay.
Sana magpasok ko.
Wala naman sigurong major. Mapapasa mo na siguro yan. Wala bang mga tao na interference? Wala ka napansin?
Kakaba kasi dalawa sila.
Oy, baka yung isa, supervisor o kayo nag-exam sa yung isa? Okay.
Springfield dyan.
Ayan na. Ito siguro ang trainee. Ito yung nag-ano sa'yo ang trainee siguro.
Yun yung experience.
Pero yung nasa likod yun yung supervisor. Ano bang sabi kanina sa'yo doon sa ano, loob?
Ang daming ginagawa.
Ayan, ganyan talaga, ang dami niyang ginagawa. Hopefully, may pasama na anak.
Sana mapasok.
Oo.
Mali-mali ka mo yung paano siya magsabi ng right and left. Pag ganun, hindi sa right, go to left. Go to left. Paano ko maririnig go to left? Ganun siya
Hindi naririnig na pumupunta ka naman sa tama. Okay.
Sa left.
Okay.
Mag-right sana ako.
Okay. Ayun na.
So, fortunately, we'll have to try again. We did have one critical error. Do you mind if he listens? Is that okay?
That's my dad. though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Awesome. So, we had one critical error. That was failing to establish. So, that was when we were making the left turn at the light. I'll just draw this out for us here. So, since we were the first one in line and we had the green light, we have to establish ourselves. We have to move up here in our half with our signal on and wait for this traffic to go through, right? As soon as it's clear, then we can complete the turn. So the failing to establish, since we were behind the line here, you weren't moving up. I gave you some time, but we were just sitting here.
So, she is here,
Yeah.
and then there's a car
She
here.
she was here. And
She's the first one in this line.
Yeah, and
Okay.
she should have been here.
So she has to move because it's green.
Exactly.
That's supposed to be the established. You're right.
Yep.
So were we taking? Okay, so that's her.
Yeah.
Is that
so because she wasn't establishing, that was the issue. Yeah. Otherwise, there was 5 general errors, and I'll just show you them here. So the first one was just on the left turn. When we made the turn, we were a little bit too far on this side. So we want to make sure any turn we're making, we're as close to the middle line here as possible, right?
Oh, why? Wait, is this 2 line or 1 line?
At 1 lane. So we were really far on this side, so we want to make sure we're as close to the
Is there any line here that it says 2 lane? Because if you going in here, you're supposed to be getting in this close one in there in this side, right?
No, not on that side.
It's median to median pa.
Okay, so isa lang yon. So those are just the.
Sorry.
So. Okay.
Turning left, right?
Okay.
There's 2 lanes.
2 lanes, yeah.
To make sure we turn into our immediate lane, not like this.
So it's 2 lane right here. So you don't
Yeah.
need to take this lane here. Because I thought we have
you
to.
always want to take closest lane to you, so that'd be the middle lane would be closest to you. This would be your far lane, right? If you're making right turn, then you turn into this lane, not this lane.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to take this one right here.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Yep.
Against that.
Yeah.
Those are major or no?
No, that was a general error.
Just in general only.
Yep. Yep. Then there was an improper check when starting. So when we were starting our parallel park, you put your signal on, which is good. You're indicating to other drivers you're
Yeah.
about to parallel park, and you looked up here. But we want to make sure we're also shoulder checking, looking, making sure nobody's coming that way, where we're gonna be parallel parking, right? Otherwise, they're just failing to stop, so that was out of the garage. Anytime we're leaving any parking lot without a stop sign, we want to make sure we stop right before the sidewalk. Since there's no stop sign, we just want to stop before the sidewalk, check both ways, make sure no one's coming.
Okay, so that is living in the garage.
Leaving the garage,
Okay.
yeah.
So pretty much everything is not that automatic failed. Not only
that
the
would only be the stop.
established one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, sayang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the other one here was just for uncertain steering. So same thing when we were parallel parking, when we were getting out, you were kind of going back and forth trying to figure out which way. So just making sure for that one. The other one here was just for driving too slow. So that was right when we started the test. I told you we need to pick up our speed here. We were going about 20 and a 50, right? Yeah.
Okay.
And that's just a general, same thing.
Alright.
You have any questions?
No.
No?
Explain well, yeah. I
Okay.
got it.
Awesome.
This kid. I
Yeah,
can.
you can rebook your test here at a broker or online, and that'll be in 14 days.
Sure. Thank you.
Good luck next time.
Okay. Alright. Yun lang. Matik pill ka sa ano, sa established na ilang beses tayo. Lahat, sabi ko kahit mga marami kang mali, minsan ka lang ma-autopill, wala. Okay, anyway, let's go. Kailangan mo pa di ba lagi natin, lagi tayo nag-establish? Lagi kitang in-establish.
Ano mag-drive?
Nasa gitna ka eh.
I did what you said, yung left turn.
Sayang. Nakalapas ka na nga, akala ko nga pasok. Ano ka na eh.
Hindi namin lahat eh.
Kaya nga eh. Ay, sakto pa naman mayroon siyang kasama. Kaya tuloy, yan ang hirap eh. Dapat hindi ka na lang sa kabila ka na lang sa ano na gano'n para mag-isa lang siya.
Dalawa pa sila, nagsasalita. Malilito talaga ako. Yung isa nagsasalita din.
Hindi kasi tinuturuan siguro yon.
Eh, probably the driving is new pa.
Okay. Alright you guys, wala. Automatic build tong anak ko sa ano. Eh, titry pa rin natin kahit pa paano. Continue lang, huwag kang ano. Lahat, marami siyang mga ano, mga minor lang itong mga ito. General, ano lang yung mga nakita nyo naman. But anyway, yun lang yung field niya. Yung kanyang, ano, yung established lang. Okay. But anyway, huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa. Mayroon pang next. Thank you guys for watching. Ayan. Excuse me. Thank you, at least na-cover up natin lahat. Peace up. Bye-bye.
Lakay Pinoy Tracker.